Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Hello Body Hello Body order. I've recently teamed up with them to become the ambassador, and if you use my code STRENGTH53 you can receive 40% off of your order and free shipping as well. So I got this order. It was a few weeks ago and I still haven't filmed it because I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys and like show you. So I don't even remember what's in here, but it's come all the way from Berlin in this nice pink box. So let's just get into it. So it says, so on like the opening bits it says Hello Beauty, treat yourself, which everyone should do in lockdown. So I've got some, oh my god, this is so exciting. I don't know if you can see that. So starting off, I have got the Cocoa Treat Soothing Face Sheet Mask, and it says it's a sheet mask with coconut water and licorice root extract for instant hydration boost. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Oh, there's like 4 in here. Okay. Oh, those are going to be really good. So a little bit about Hello Body is that they are natural products. They don't test on animals and they're more sustainably sourced ingredients than other leading brands. So there's also some aloe tonic, daily face AHA exfoliator in here, and I just love aloe vera. It's such a good product to have. Okay, so it's all organic. Ooh. Leave on for 10 minutes and then follow with a night cream. Shake before use. So the thing is with these, with AHAs, is that if you're going to use them, you should use them in the evening as part of your evening skin routine. If you use them in the daytime, obviously, oh, that smells really good and fresh. Always ensure that you wear sunscreen anyway, but AHAs can actually enhance your risk of burning and increase the risk of burning in the sunlight. So make sure AHAs in the evening and sunscreen in the morning, just as a rule of thumb. And then I got some Aloe Aqua face cleansing micellar water. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like really fresh. And this one just says apply on a cotton pad and wipe over face and neck without harsh rubbing. And then we've got some, oh, this is what I'm really excited and looking forward to using, is the Cocoa Wow French Pink Clay Mattifying Face Mask. So I have an oily skin type and I just love clay face masks. They really pull out all the impurities from your pores. I don't think, oh, it's so pretty, it's pink. Oh my god, it is pink. It says get your glow on. Open this up and see it. Oh wow. Oh my god. It smells like cake batter, like a Victoria sponge cake. It just smells like cake batter. Oh my days, look at that. I cannot wait to try that on. I really like the packaging of everything. It's just so clean and aesthetic. Oops. Okay, just drop that. So on the back it says, deep pore cleansing face mask contains pink clay and kaolin that absorb harmful substances and excess oil, leaves a smooth and matte complexion. And then I've got some aloe drops, daily face glow booster. I think I bought a lot of the aloe range actually. I tried to get a little bit of everything. So this says a squalene based glow booster that helps to hold moisture in your skin. Mix 1 to 2 drops with your face cream or massage in a few drops after having applied your cream. Look how big that bottle is. Oh my god, That is huge. That's a really good amount. That's not what I was expecting at all. And it's glass as well. Like most of this packaging is actually glass. Ooh. I've never used squalene before, but I've heard a lot about it. Ooh, that feels really nice. It feels like silk. And it just smells fresh again. It smells like cucumber. That's gone into my skin really nicely. It's literally just like melted into my skin. Then we've got some Cocoa Kiss lip scrub. Ooh, pink again. Ooh. Oh my god, this smells like cake batter as well. Look at this. Oh wow. What it tastes like. Ooh. That's really sweet. Mmm. Tastes nice. That tastes really good. It's really sweet. It's literally just sugar, beeswax, roseseed oil. I could definitely taste rose in there. And then there is some Cocoa Melt Makeup Remover Balm. And it says here, makeup remover balm that turns into an oily texture on application and takes off makeup and dirt. Okay. Let it melt. Never used a makeup remover balm before, so this would be good to try out. Ooh, everything just smells so edible. And then last but not least, I've wanted some of these for ages and ages, and then I just didn't know which ones to buy. So I finally got some, and they're called the Hello Bamboo Reusable Bamboo Makeup Remover Wipes. There's 10 pieces, and there's a wash net as well, so you can pop them into your washing machine. But I just feel like I use too many cotton pads, and I should really be using like reusable ones. So they feel really soft, and they're really well made. So yeah, there's like a coarse side and a little fluffier side. So I'm definitely going to be using those. I'll probably use these and these together. Well, I could use everything together, to be honest, but so that's it. So yeah, I cannot wait to try out my new goodies, and if you want to get some goodies for yourself too, make sure you use my code STRENGTH53 for your discount, and let me know in the comments what you bought. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you're all well and safe. Till next time, bye!